morning, good afternoon, good evening one and all. There you have it folks, the winners of the Melody Semifinals 2024.
Superstar singer Sydney Vidal and rising star Sofia Dionisio.
But the question still remains, who of these two rising stars will win it all in the grand finals? Get your tickets ready folks. Mark your calendars 6 weeks from now, October 27th, 2024, to see who will win a ticket to the biggest concert in the entire world.
I will try to piece it all together. Ano nangyari?
We
Who's
apologize
involved?
for the delay. Our company is having issues with equipment management right now.
And this will be the result. A vlog, I suppose. Well, this is the only way my soul can live in peace.
I just won the semifinals for the Melody, the competition. And hindi ako makapaniwala, but I know that alam ko naman sa sarili ko na dahil to sa sarili kong kakayahan. And yeah. Hello everyone, this is my documentation for day 1 for the preparations of, practices and for the finals of the Melody. And looking back these 6 weeks, grabe talaga. I'm so proud of myself and I'm not gonna delay this further. Day 1.
Hello my lovely Synaptics! This is your one and only superstar singer, Sydney Vidal. And alam ko naman narinig niyo ng lahat na I just won the semifinals for the Melody 2024. It's such a wonderful feeling accomplishing such a hard task after working on it for so long. And now we start a journey anew as we embark on this long new road towards the Melody 2024 finals. This is week 1, day 1.
So, hey guys, I'm back. But today, pahinga muna tayo since madugo talaga yung preparations for the semifinals. And actually, worth it din naman eh. It's still worth it kasi this is for my mom naman. And it's not that like I can complain about this. So, yun. So guys, ang kalaban ko nga pala ay si Sydney Vidal. And siya lang naman ang nag-iisang singer, star, and the one and only daughter of the 90s legend, Miss Georgina Vidal. Grabe nga naman talagang kapalaran to. And na siya pa talaga ang makakalaban ko. Pero I know naman na sa sarili ko na hindi ako magpapatalo.
So Synaptics, this day will be pretty chill because my mom is out for an important meeting, so makakapagpahinga ako. So let's use this time to recap. For any new Synaptics out there, the Melody 2024 is a popular Philippine show right now that gives up-and-coming singers a chance to catapult themselves into stardom. How you may ask? Well, by giving them a ticket to perform in the biggest concert in the entire world, MMV. And I just made it past the semifinals. It was arduous but rewarding making it all the way here. Now I'm facing Sofia Dionisio. I know a lot of you don't know her, but don't underestimate that girl. She's got as much as talent as me. And now what do I do? Can I call my friend for now?
Sure. I don't think your mother will be here anyways, so okay. I think it's fine.
So see you later, Synaptics. I'll go meet up with a friend since my day is pretty chill. See you later.
So yun na nga guys. So, ay nako, ang timing talaga ng babaeng to. So, change of plans, guys. I will be spending my time with a dear friend muna. Sabi nga. And I will be back to close off this vlog later.
Hi, guys!
Wait, te! Hi! Ano ba? Tagal-tagal mo, kala ko di ka pupunta. Kasi pa-impromptu meet up ka.
Siyempre, na-miss kita. Di mo ba ako na-miss? Tagal-tagal natin din nagkita. So, kamusta ba naman si tita?
Ayun, she's still recovering actually from the, sakit niya. And, ayun, mas stable siya from yung last time na. So, okay naman siya.
Good naman yun. May matutulong pa ako dyan, financially.
I mean, okay naman. I'm still, relying from my savings dun sa last job ko. Okay pa naman. It's still good.
Sure ka, ha? Sure?
Sure nga.
Basta nag-aan mo yung sarili mo, ha?
Oo naman, te. Ako pa. Te. Together we must make it.
Whoos! Dali, tuloy mo na!
Forever I'm here for you, you're here for me.
Nakalala mo pa yun, te. Siyempre, ano ka ba? Natin yung time entertainer.
Drama mo naman!
Bakit ba? Ano nang meron mo?
Kapal ka!
You know, Synaptics, you never really know when you're gonna meet someone again because we're on our own separate journeys that shape us as different people. And that's our nugget of wisdom for today. I'm going home now, and that's all. I'm signing off, guys, as your superstar singer, Sunny Vidal. Hi, Kuya! Okay, I'm going now, guys. Bye!
So guys, for day 1, I met with a friend and that was definitely comforting, and sana senyales na to that the 6 weeks of preparation will be smooth and okay. So for day 1, yun lang naman.
Miss Sydney! Your breakfast is ready, and your mom is here.
Oh, my mom is here? Okay. Thank you.
Oh anak, gising ka na pala. It's already 5 a.m. Mag-practice ka na.
Practice? 5 a.m. pa lang po. Tapos, isang araw pa lang nakakalipas yun sa semifinals.
Walang oras para magpahinga. Kailangan mong i-maintain ang momentum. Sa tingin mo ba, alam na ng lahat ng Filipino ang pangalang Georgina Vidal dahil nag-day off ako?
Ikaw naman kasi, mother. Gusto mong maging sikat. Ako, I didn't ask for any of this. Buhay mo itong pinagpwersa mo lang sa akin.
You can't give allow. Gusto mo ba i-waste yung potential mo?
Potential? Sure ka ba potential to, mother? Not something na pinilit lang sa akin. I'm tired of this!
Bastos kang bata ka? Ano? Nagagaya ka na kay Sofia? Walang ambisyon sa buhay?
Don't bring Sofia into this, mother! Wala siyang kinalaman dito! And you don't understand!
Yes, I don't understand! And I don't need to! So gusto mo sa ayaw mo, mag-practice ka! Now!
Magandang gabi, everyone! Currently, it is the end of day 3. For me, masasabi ko na I'm fully rested and ready to start practicing na for real. Actually, while resting, tinatry kong mag-book ng practice place online. Pero wala akong mahanap na in budget eh. So, bukas siguro, try ko ulit maghanap.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hello, my dear Synaptics. It is day 2. And from today up until basics, I will be practicing at Kundera Studios. So I plan to just focus on practicing. So I will just be doing a montage until day 6. Okay, so since you're all caught up now, let's go! Good morning po. So my voice coach is here now, so I'll see you at the end of the Synaptics. It is actually the end of day 3 right now to show you continue to practice up until day.
So, ayun guys, asa labas na naman ako. And sobrang hangin ngayon. And as you all know, naghahanap ako ng place to practice right now. And I'll just update you guys pag nakahanap na ako. So, hey guys, ayun, kanina pa ako nagtatawag-tawag ng mga studios na pwedeng pag-practicean, but nakakainisan talaga, pero wala akong nahanap and wala akong mahanap na studio na pwede kong pag-practicean. So, I think for now, dito muna ako sa bahay magpa-practice. That's all for today, guys.
Hi Synatics! I just finished practicing for week 1 and it is finally end of the marathon. This is your superstar singer signing out. See you all on week 2.
So ito guys, voice over ko na lang yung nangyari from day 5 to 6. Since wala akong mahanap na spot yesterday, here I am training myself over the next 2 days. Nothing else of note happened. So, yun guys. Day 6 is done with. I got some practice pero feeling ko it's not enough eh. But tomorrow, I will not be able to make another entry guys kasi kailangan kong bisitahin ang nanay ko. And I try to visit her weekly kasi. So, yun. Okay, I guess that marks the end of week 1 for the vlog. See you guys sa week 2.
Anak, pasok! Saka rito. Binabara na.
Saan naman lang, doing well ba?
Okay naman po ako, Nay.
Nabalitaan ko, nanalo ka doon sa competition ah. Ang ganda ka ng anak ko.
Naku, Nay, nahandaan lang po.
Proud na proud lang kasi ako anak eh. Buruin mo, anak ko mananalo sa The Melody.
Thank you po, Nay. Pero, actually, Nay, may finals pa po. May finals pa po ako. Pero sa tingin ko naman po, hindi po magiging ganun kahirap. Kasi syempre, nagmana ako sa'yo.
Ay, akala naman, Sophia eh.
Ay, naku, Nay. Ito na nga po. Start na po tayo ng prayer. Para for your fast recovery.
Sige na.
It was all well documented at first, but from here on, it gets sparser and sparser, and this is also where it all goes wrong.
Unfortunately, Miss Janisha, your mother's condition has worsened. I'm afraid you need to prepare for the possibility of a surgery.
Dok, wait lang po, wait lang.
Miss Sophia Janisha,
Alis po.
I am sorry for the sudden call, but we need you to come for a meeting today. It involves urgent matters. Miss Sydney Vidal will be there too. I hope you can make the time too.
I'll be on my way. Dok, sorry po talaga. Hindi kailangan to po na. I have a really urgent. Kasi talaga na kailangan po na. Ako na po na pa. Thank you po for your time. Give me go.
Okay, I'm glad both of our star competitors are able to make this very urgent meeting.
And we are very sorry for calling it on short notice, but we needed to throw this over the wall ASAP.
Okay, let's get straight to the point here. We aren't going to announce this to the general public, but
we would gladly like to inform you both now that the winner of the Melody 2024 finals will receive a cash prize of 1 million pesos.
That's in addition to the biggest concert in the world. Double the rewards. And starting tomorrow, you have the chance to choose your very own management. Options coming from Aria Melodies Inc., of course.
Pia?
Bakit parang pagod na pagod ka? Okay ka lang? Ako, Sydney. Dami ko lang iniisip. You don't understand kasi. With mom's condition, it's really worsening na. And tapos, yan, may pa crash place mo pala sila. You only have the
cheapest management and and nakaka-overwhelm lang talaga kasi sa mga lahat ng nangyayari, nagsabay-sabay lang talaga lahat. If only I had the time and money. I'm so sorry. You know what? I'll lose on purpose for you. Huh? Deserve mo to eh. Kailangan mo to. Mas kailangan mo to kaysa sa akin. Kailangan ni Tita. And I'll gladly let you in. Sige, wag na. 1 million yung Tia. Kailangan ni Tita. And I'm not a stranger. Sophia, I'm your best friend. And di ba nga? Forever I'm here for you, you're here for me. Kana naman.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice.
Wala pa rin? Okay, fine. So, hey guys, ngayon, it's actually day 2 na. So, on day 1, I actually had a very confidential meeting and I can't really share lots of information about that, but you know, as of now, I'm trying to get a hold of my manager and ayun, so wala pa akong contact sa Hello? Have you seen po, my manager, si Mr. Goshenkel po?
Andito ka lang pala. I've been trying to reach you all day. Kung sino-sino nang pinagtatatawagan ko, tapos ganito lang makikita ko.
Teka lang, boss. I'm just relaxing. Huwag kang mag-alala, boss. Tatawagan kita mamaya.
Bahala ka nga dyan. Gagawin ko na lang mag-isa lahat. Diyos ko.
Hi Synaptics! It is week 2, day 2. And you know the drill, practice, practice, practice. But before I do, let me introduce to you my new manager, Mr. Niles. Say hi!
Hello. Hindi, wait lang. Ang pangit, ang plastic. Ulitin mo. Ang pangit-pangit. Hindi mo angle yan.
Ma'am, we're recording po.
See you later, Synaptics.
Cut. Okay, maayos na. Dapat laging ganyan, ha?
Hi po.
Wala pa rin talaga. Walang kwenta talaga tong manager ko. So, good morning guys. And it's the second half of the week na. And sad to say, hindi ako na-set up ng manager ko with the organizer. So, I really have to do it on my own. Especially with the request of the organizers. And sa tingin ko naman, kaya ko naman. Kasi syempre, malakas tong Sophia nyo. And let's start the day na. So guys, my friend wants to meet again. See you later at practice vlog.
Sydney? Ano ka pala? Mukha kang hinihingal, te. Ayoko na! Nandito lang ako. Tell me what's wrong. Hindi ko na kaya. What's happening? Pagod na ako! Ilabas mo lang yan. Kasi Pia, halos araw-araw ko pinapapractice ni Dada. Pagod na ako. Hindi niya pa nakikita yun. Kapag lalo niya akong papagurin, wala akong choice! Parang ayoko na lang mabuhay as Regina Vidal's daughter. One day may intindihan ka din ni Tita and you'll have your rest. Ayoko po.
Miss Georgina po, hinahanap na po kayo.
Ayoko, mali. Okay lang yan, Sid. Sige na.
Miss, I'm I'm afraid we will no longer be able to provide you with recreations for the following weeks. The events you describe are...
It's fine, mister. I will make do with what I can find. I don't need it to be perfect. Dito na tayo magkakaproblema. Ang dami kong di mahanap. Grabe. Even if the details aren't all there, I'll just make sense of it.
So, Doc, kamusta na po siya?
As I said, her condition is very critical. We need to operate surgery on her as soon as possible. I'm sorry.
So, ayun guys, it's week 3. And finally, meron na tayong practice spot. And naayos na yung matters related to my manager. So, more practices na tayo. And, yun lang. So, this is day 1 of week 3. So guys, I know na sinabi ko na magpa-practice tayo today, but unfortunately, hindi tayo nakapag-practice dahil I had to run some errands for nanay. I had to buy some medicines for her. But now I think I can... So, another change of plans. I think I have to manage some things for my manager na naman. And, you know, bukas na lang ako magpa-practice. And, see you guys tomorrow. Scandal hits the melody. Contestants found eloping? What? Ano to? How dare that pick me? Talk to Sydney in private? What? Grabe na to ah. What? Huh?
This recording has to be kept a secret. We managed to steal back my phone for at least a little bit. I don't know why, bakit the forceful ni Mother as of lately. I don't know what to do. I feel sick.
Welcome back, everyone! This is day 2 to 5, which was all the practice. Yes, nagpursige ako guys, and I practiced as much as possible. So yun, here, enjoy the montage. This. Di ko alam ang ginawa ko pero I need to get this off my chest. Sydney. Alam ko naman na... I don't know, maybe nag-overthink lang ako pero may nagbago na ba sa iyo? It can't be. So, ayun guys, tapos na ako sa aking practice marathon. And grabe, sobrang nakakapagod talaga yung mga pinagagawa ko. And, Hello? Sino to?
Boss.
Oh, ikaw pala yan. Anong masasabi mo sa mga pinagagawa mo?
Paumanhin na po talaga sa lahat ng mga ginawa kong mali. Pero please, makinig po kayo. Importante po talaga. Nakita ko po kasi, grabe na po ang pinagsasabi po nila sa inyo. Sa Twitter, Facebook, Insta, TikTok, YouTube, at kahit na rin po sa Snapchat. Kahit saan po ako tumingin, nag-i-spread na po siya eh. Kaya ang payo ko po sa inyo, gawa po tayo ng response para kumalma ang masa. I will go to you tomorrow po to help you.
Alright, Mr. Goshen. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
I swear if you don't put a stop to this project of yours, miss, I will sue. This is libel. Is it libel, Mrs. Vidal? If it's the truth?
Okay, hello everyone. This is Sofia Janicio, one of the finalists for the Melody 2024. There have been multiple unsavory rumors and unfound claims that have been spread about the past few days. I would like to say that all of the assumptions that have been made are truly false. I did not collude with Sydney Vidal and I did not force her into that interaction. We are friends. I condemn the people who leaked this footage and I condemn the assumptions about us, and that is all. And sorry for the inconvenience that I have made or that we have made.
Hi, my lovely Synatics. This is Sydney Vidal, and I would like to address an ongoing drama about me and Sophia Janisha. First of all, I would like to say that Sophia Janisha is my friend.
Ayan, alam ko na nga kung may pinaplan pa. Oh, sinasabi ko na nga bang bad influence ng Sophia Janisha na yan? Ayusin mo yung video mo. Mag-bis ka dun. Sabihin mo na hindi mo kilala yan. Bis ka dito.
Their lawsuit could be very damaging, miss.
Bahala silang mag-sue. Wala akong pake, basta't mabuko ang katotohanan.
I don't have much time, pero... And I deny any connections to Sophia Janisha besides our professional relationship as competitors. We are not friends. She was the one to initiate that interaction. She tried to convince me to lose on purpose because she wanted fame. Obviously, I did not say yes. Therefore, I can say that.
Ayaw na nila mag-lawsuit nung nag-threaten tayo mag-leak yung footage, boss.
Good. Now, it is time for me to face the fruit of my decisions.
Why? Why would she lie? After all I've told her? After all the tears, and yet she chooses to lie to 1,000 with no hesitation. Now, the pressure, I know the pressure that her mom puts her, but how could have she gone this far?
Sophia, could I talk to you for a moment?
Sige po, Doc. Ano po ito?
We've done a few screenings, and as for the results, I'm sorry to say this, but your mother will have to undergo coronal heart bypass surgery. It is as soon as possible. She only has a month left to live.
Sige po, Doc. We'll think about it.
Nay? Na? Siguro, nasabayan ka na ng doktor sa kondisyon ko. Huwag ka mag-alala, anak. Sisikat ka. Makakasama ng ibang talento. Sana nga mapanood at masuportan pa rin kita. Mag-iingat ka palagi, anak.
Hello? Hello, Mr. Goshen Piao?
Good morning po, boss. May nahanap akong tailor para sa costume mo. Kailangan na lang measurements mo. Ma'am, narinig ko po yung nangyari sa nanay mo. I'm sorry. Naiintindihan ko ang sitwasyon mo ngayon. But you need to keep going. You don't have to worry about me being a lousy manager anymore. Tutulungan kita. Mananalo ka sa kompetisyon.
Okay, sige. Thank you, Mr. Gosheng Piao. I'll soon be on my way.
Hindi naman kasalanan ni Sydney to. But she chose her mother over me. Over my mom's life. Over us. I won't let her win. Kailangan kong ipanalo to. I need to survive. Sydney can't win. Hindi ko hahayaang mangyari yon. If she wins, it's all over for me.
She doesn't need this. I need this more than her.
So yun guys, nandito na naman ako sa ospital. Yung condition kasi ni nanay is mas lumalala na, and wala muna tayong practice today. Gawa nga ng magbabantay ako dito sa ospital, and mag-play lang ako ng mga practice recordings ko dito habang nagbabantay kay nanay. Hey, nako. Where are you now, Sydney? I thought we'd stick together. I'm sorry.
Sure ka ba, boss? Pati yung mga bidyong ito, baka makasuhan ka.
Their sins are many, but that doesn't excuse mine. So, it is week 5. Wala na akong duda sa gagawin ko. Yeah. Wala akong choice. Kailangan kong sagupin si nanay.
We apologize for the delay. Our company is having issues with equipment management right now.
And cut.
So, you really can't help me?
No, I don't think so, Miss Sydney. It's too risky. Even us talking like this right now is risky. You know how Miss Georgina is, and even Mr. Niles is on her side. I don't think I can.
Please, but I just really need to send this video to her because I can't imagine how much that will hurt her.
I think my hands are tied, Miss Sydney. This phone is the only one I have, and it's something Miss Georgina gave me, so she probably has access to it. Plus, this is my only job, Miss Sydney, so I'm sorry, but I think I can't help you with this one.
Ma'am, ID niyo po. ID po.
So, agree po kayo to reconsider yung mga recreations?
Yes po. I managed to convince the higher-ups, and besides, I have a favor to repay.
Ay, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng anak ko. Sinasabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat ng ginagawa ko para din sa'yo. This is your big moment, so you're not allowed to lose, okay? Okay. Naintindihan mo? Opo. Okay.
So, boss, saan ka pong last week?
Wala. May inasakaso lang ako sa nanay ko.
I see. Malapit tayo sa pupuntahan natin, ha?
Sige. Doon na lang ako magpapalit.
babae ka! Umalis ka dito, babae ka!
Wait lang po!
Miss Sydney, bakit po?
Ikaw po ba yung manager ni Sofia?
Opo.
Ito po, may video ako dyan. Pakita mo kay Pia. By all means necessary, pakita mo.
Sige po, pero ano po naman nito?
Basta!
Sydney, anak! Ikaw na magpe-perform!
Basta ipakita mo.
Sige po. Boss, may pinapanood para sa si Miss Sydney. Panoorin niyo na lang daw po.
Hi, Pia. It's me. I know by this point, narinig mo na lahat ng pinagsasabi nila on TV, but lahat nun, hindi yun totoo. I don't have it in me to betray you, and I'll never betray you because we've been through so much together. And I believe in you. So, go beat me, because I know you will. I know you can beat me, so go beat me. Tika lang. Sydney, wait! What?
Good evening, viewers. Tonight, we give you the tragic conclusion to the highly anticipated Melody 2024 finals. A devastating accident has occurred which has taken the life of one of the competition's leading contestants, Sydney Vidal.
After it happened, they gave me the win. It didn't feel real. It still doesn't. But that's how it ended. They said I deserved it, but all I could think of was Sydney.
The cause of the accident is still being investigated, with there being suspicions of potential foul play. But the current consensus by investigators is a failure in equipment management.
The media came to me for questions, but Mr. Goh Shengfiao, he helped me clear my name. Without him, it would have gone so differently. Sydney's old cameraman was able to release her final video. The truth was revealed.
Hi, Pia. It's me. I believe in you. So, go beat me if you...
And Sydney's mother took the blame. We didn't have to leak it ourselves.
A video was recently released by Sydney Vidal's former cameraman on numerous social media platforms in which Sydney Vidal revealed that her mother, famous singer Georgina Vidal, abused her physically and verbally, pressuring her to work for hours with no rest, with her manager, Mr. Niles, being complicit in the affair.
For a moment, it wasn't about the accident. It was just about her, like how it should have been. They said I was the rising star, that my fame was only beginning. But there's been this weight over me since, a sadness I can't shake. No matter how bright the lights get, I still can't forgive myself.
Sydney, I'm sorry. Sorry, Sydney. I'm sorry. Sydney. Sydney. I'm sorry. Sydney! I'm sorry, Sydney! I'm sorry! Sydney? Sydney, I'm sorry! Sydney! I'm sorry! I'm sorry, Sydney! Sydney, I'm sorry! I'm sorry, Sydney! Hindi ko sinasadya! Sydney! Sydney, I'm sorry. Sydney. I'm sorry, Sydney. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sydney? Sydney, I will never forget you. Hindi kita makakalimutan, Sydney.
And the world won't either.
The things you say, the way you make it all okay, and how you know all of my jokes, but you laugh anyway. If I could wish for one thing, I'd take the smile that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, I'll come along. Together we dream the same dream. Forever I'm here for you, you're here for me. Oh, oh, oh. Two voices,